Hello everybody, welcome back to the Hoogly Boogly Network. So today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your own web server. I got the idea for this video because someone left a comment asking how do they set up a private web server for them to use to work on PHP. So what I'm going to do today is show you a tutorial how to make your own web server. However, I do not use this service since I have my own web server that's hosted privately on my computer. I most likely will not show you guys how to make one, but I might in the future if I get enough comments. So now let's get this video started. So our first step is to download XAMPP for our operating system. If you have a Windows, download it for Windows, a Linux, download for Linux, and if a Mac, of course a Mac. So I'm going to download for my Mac. And as you can see, I installed it earlier. I had a problem with it, with my recording, so I'm reinstalling it now. So once that's installed, we can double click on it, and then it'll show this installer. We can click on it, then click on open. Type in your administrator password, then it should begin to open. If you look in your dock, you'll be able to see it, but you can see it's coming up right now. So let's click next, and we need to click on all of the files. So next, it will be installed in our applications files, which is perfect. We don't need about that, so I'm gonna uncheck that. And now it's gonna start installing. Okay, so we see that XAMPP has just finished installing. So once we click finish, it should open XAMPP. So there we go, we have our folder open. Now we can go to manage servers. We can see that our servers, our Apache server, which is what's needed to run PHP, is open. So let's go to our application folder. There we can put all of our files. So on our h.tc docs, we can put our stuff. So let's add a new folder. Let's call it site. But to test it, let's make sure by going to localhost. Then we can see it works. We can go to localhost site to test that it works. Then we can see it's not found. You have to put a file in there. That's just a basic mistake because if you don't have an index.php or index.html in a file, it will automatically show up as 403 error, forbidden. So we can see our site shows up and it's made with PHP. As you can see, it is a PHP script. If we right click and say open with Chrome, it won't be able to run it. So means this works. So I hope you guys find this tutorial useful, and I hope to see you guys again in the next video when we go ahead and complete our flat website. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video and that you subscribe.